So now the students, see here, our next chapter is ratio and proportion. Yes students, see here in ratio and proportion, so what we are going to discuss. What is meant by actually ratio and proportion? So ratio means the comparison between the two similar quantities that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So either it is in length, breadth or distance, so or weight. So about these quantities or volume, so areas, the similar quantities we are going to compare. So that we are going to discuss in ratio and proportion. Okay students, now see here. So one picture is given in your textbook. So see here in warm up time. So what is the picture here given? See. So here is the tortoise there and one is here is there. So the two, so they are participating in running race. So in the first what he is saying means who? Frog, not frog, tortoise. So in the time, so it takes me to travel 2 kilometers, the hare will have traveled 40 kilometers. Here, see here. So in the 2 kilometer distance, if tortoise travel 2 kilometers distance, so at the same time, so the hare will travel 40 kilometers distance. Here the comparison is given. Comparison between the distance means kilometers. Kilometer comparison is given. So tortoise, how much it travels, and at the same time, so how much distance here will travel. So the comparison here 2 kilometers at the same time. So 2 kilometers tortoise travels and 40 kilometers here will travel. So in the next one, so what he is saying, see here. So that means our speed ratio is 2:, that 2 dots means is to 2:40. That means so tortoise travels 2 kilometers and hare will travel 40 kilometers. So the comparison between the kilometers, that is 2:40. 2:40. So if you simplify it, then 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40. So that means in simplified form, the distance ratio is 1:20. 1:20. Okay. So this is about the comparison of kilometers. So how much distance hare will travel at the same time, how much distance tortoise covers. So that comparison is there. So that is the kilometer comparison at the same time. So both tortoise and hare, that is 2:40. So simplified form, so 1:20. Okay students. Now see here students, in learning time, so what he has given, so ratio definition is given. So what is a ratio? So ratio means compares values, means similar quantities we should compare. So similar quantities we should compare. So the ratio means comparing quantities, comparing values. Okay. Now here so square boxes are given. So here 1 2 3 4 square boxes are there. So in this 3 square boxes, in 3 boxes we have a blue color and one is yellow color. So then how to represent? So in a ratio, that 3 blue color squares to 1 yellow color square. 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square. Then how to represent? Blue to yellow. So how many blue colored squares we have and how many yellow colored squares we have? See here, 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square. So then how to represent? 3:1. 3 blue squares, 1 yellow color. 3:1. 3:1. So and also 3:1. So also we can represent 3:1. And also represent 3/1. 3/1. 3:1. 3:1. 3/1. So okay students. So now here, so 3 blue color squares we have and 1 yellow color square. So then how to compare as a ratio? So 3:1 means blue to yellow. How to represent? That is 3:1. This is is 2. So then how to represent in a words? 3:1. Okay. So in fraction 3/1. So this is the representation. If suppose how to make equal ratios? So just here 3 blue color squares were there, so we make 6, and here one yellow color square is there, so then that you make double. So then 6:2. So then how to represent here? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 blue colors and 2 yellow colors. Then how to represent? 6:2. 6:2. 6:2, or otherwise 6/2 also we can represent. Okay, so this is the representation of a ratio. Okay, now using ratio, how to use ratio? See here, 4:5. 4:5. This is the ratio, 4:5. Then how to represent? Same as. So the one easy method is there to make equal ratio. So just to take 4:5, you should multiply both 4 and 5 with the same number, either 2, 3, 4, whatever. Then you'll get equal ratio. Okay. Then 4 into 2, 5 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Then 4:5 is same as 8:10. 8:10. 4:5 same as 8:10. So same means when it will get same. So if you multiply both the ratios, both the numbers with the same numeral, then you'll get same ratio. Okay, students. So now the students here, so in example one recipe is given. So what is the recipe? So what they are going to prepare? See here, a recipe for a pancake. So they are preparing pancake. So for pancake, so what they are using? 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. So how many cups of flour they are using? 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. If suppose number of members increases, so then here the quantity of flour and milk also increase. So how to increase? In the same ratio they should increase. So in irregular, if you increase, if you added more flour and less milk, then the pancake is not good. So okay, so we should, according to the basic value, so we should increase the quantity of milk and the quantity of the flour. So then how to increase? See here, if the required means members increases 4 times, then how much flour we need, then how much milk we need? So basically it is 3:2. 3:2. So flour and milk. So this is about flour. So this is milk. So for 3 cups of flour we need 2 cups of milk we need. If you increase this flour and milk 4 times, then so here we should multiply with 4 and multiply with 4. Multiply with flour with 3 and milk quantity also with not. So we should multiply 4 quantity with 4 and milk quantity with 4. So why? Because we are increasing 4 times. Why we are increasing 4 times? Because the number of members increases. So that is why we should increase. How much means quantity of the means how many members increases means 4 times. So what they guessed, according to that, so the quant means the 4 times the peoples were increases. That means the quantity of the flour and milk also we should increase by 4 times. Now 3 4s are 12. So is to 2 4s are 8. So that is 12:8, or so 12 to 8, or in fraction 12/8. So if you increase in this way, so then our pancake will means yummy. Okay, now in the next example, so here, so there are some pups. 2 are male in that, so 3 are female group. So how many males and how many females are there? 2 are male and 3 are female. So here comparison is given, part to part. What is part to part comparison? So see here, if the ratio of male to female, so if you compare male to female, how many males are there? 2. First you should write males, and females 3. Male to female means 2:3. 2:3, or otherwise in fraction 2/3. This is the comparison between part to part, male to female. In the second, the ratio of female to male. So if you compare female to male, so Here how many females we have? 3. Males 2. 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2 or 3 by 2. So this is the part to part comparison. So male to female, female to male. Okay. So when the comparison he is asking part to part, so that like male to female, female to male, like cups to floor, floor to cup. So this is part to part comparison. Part to part comparison. Here part to whole, so complete means as a part to complete comparison. How it is? See here, the ratio of the male to all. Male how many? 2. All means 2 plus 3, 5. All means how many pups we have? The total 5. So 2 is to 5 or 2 by 5. This is the comparison male to all. Okay. Now the ratio of female to all. So how many female pups we have? So 3 is to all together. So that is 5. Then 3 is to 5. So this is the comparison of part to whole. This is part to part. This is part to part. Okay. Part to part comparison, part to whole comparison. Okay students. Now say in the next example, see here, arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following, so ratios in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from bigger to smaller. So bigger to smaller. Then how to arrange? See here in the solution, so the given ratios first you should convert into fractions. Okay. 2 is to 3, that is 2 by 3. The next 3 is to 4, that is 3 by 4. 5 is to 6, that is 5 by 6. Then 1 is to 5, that is 1 by 5. So these are the fractions. Whatever the ratios given, that we convert into fractions. Then after that, so take LCM. 3, 4, 6, 5. 3, 4, 6, 5. LCM of the denominators. 3, 4, 6, 5 LCM we should take. Whenever comparison is given, first we should convert the given fractions into like fractions. To convert the given fractions into like fractions, first we should take the LCM of the denominators. So then first 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is, 3 2s are 6 and 5 as it is. Again with 2 table. 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 5. Again with 2. 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is and 5. And again with 5. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now you multiply. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 10 6s are 60, 10 6s are 60. Our LCM is 60. If you multiply all these 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60. So after getting the LCM, now you check in 3 table when you will get 30, 3 20s are, 3 20s are. So you should divide and multiply numerator with 20. Now in 4 table, now you check the second fraction, so denominator 4. In 4 table when you will get 40, 4 15s are. So multiply numerator and denominator with 15. Now the third fraction in 6 table, so when you will get 60, 6 10s are 60, 6 10s are 60. Divide numerator and denominator with 10. Now in 5 table when you will get 60, in 5 table when you will get 60, 5 12s are. So divide numerator and denominator with 12. Okay. Then after this you should multiply numerator and denominators. 2 20s are 40, 3 20s are 60, 40 by 60, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. Now 5 10s are 50, 6 10s are 60. Now 1 12s are 12 and 5 12s are 12 5s are 60. All are 60, 60, 60, 60. Now all the fractions converted into like fractions. Now what he is asking? Descending order. Descending descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from bigger to smaller. So which one is the bigger in the numerator? So that is the bigger value. That is 50 by 60. 50 by 60. The second bigger one is 45 by 60. Means smaller than this 45 is 40. Then smaller than 40 is 12. 50. So the biggest one. So smaller than 50 is 45. Smaller than 45 is 40. Smaller than 40 is 12. So this is in descending order. So but here, so we should take in a fraction. This is 50. Third one. So what is the third ratio? 5 is to 6. So we should write in ratio. 5 is to 6 is a bigger one. Then 45, the second one. Second one is 3 is to 2. After that 3 is to 4. Then 40 by 60. 40 by 60 means first one. What is the first ratio? 2 is to 3. Then after that 12 by 60, the last one, that is 1 is to 5. These are in ascending order, not ascending order, descending order. So whenever he is asking to write in descending order, so whatever the fractions are given, so whatever the ratios were given, so that ratios first you write in the fractions. So then after that take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, then after that you convert the fractions into like fractions. Then after that, on the basis of the numerator, so which one is the bigger, that you decide and write in descending order. After taking all in descending order, you should take the basic means, so ratio. Okay, so whatever the ratios given, so that ratios you write finally in descending order. Okay, okay students. Now in the next example, two numbers ratios given, that is 3 is to 4. Two numbers are there, so the two numbers are 3 is to 4 ratio. So if you add both the numbers, you will get 63, means sum of the numbers, sum of two numbers. If you add two numbers, means if you add two numbers, then you will get 63. Then find the number he is asking. Find the number he is asking. Okay students. So 3 is to 4, two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 4, and sum of these two numbers given 63. So then find the numbers. Okay, so then how to find? See here. So first, sum of the ratios we should take. Sum of the ratios. Sum of ratios. 3 is to 4. That is 3 plus 4. That is 9. Sum of the ratios 3 is to 4, that is 3 plus 4, 9. Then sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers 63. Sum of two numbers, that is given 63. So then find the numbers. So that means first number, how to find? First number. First number means the first ratio we should write. The first ratio is 3. Then the total ratio is 9 into sum of the numbers. So how to find first number? So we should take first ratio divided by sum of the ratios, 3 by 9 into sum of the numbers, 63. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. Okay, so now multiply 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21. Here by 1 is there, no need to take. So the first number is 21. Okay. In the same way, second number, how to find second number? How to find second number? So that is, so second number divided by sum of the ratios, 4 divided by 9. Second number divided by 9 into sum of the numbers. Now 9 ones are, 9 sevens are. Now multiply 4 sevens are 28. By 1 means no need to take by 1, 28. Okay, second number is 28. Okay, the first number is 21, second number is 28. Okay students. Now in activity first, see here, so write the ratio for the following fractions. So here ratio we should write. So here 8 by 5, this is a fraction, this we should write in the ratio. Then how to write in ratio? 8 by 5 means in simply 8 ratio 5. 8 is to 5. 8 is to 5. Okay. The fraction how to write in ratio? This is the method to write the fraction into ratio. Then 3 by 4 means 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Now 9 by 11 means 9 is to 11. 9 is to 11. 5 by 9, then 5 is to 9. 5 is to 9. Then 1 by 3, that means 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. Now 11 by 5. 11 by 5 means 11 is to 15. 11 by 15 means 11 is to 15. Now 2 by 5 means 2 is to 5. Now 7 by 12 means 7 is to 12. 4 by 7, so that means 4 is to 7. Now 7 by 10, that means 7 is to 10. 7 is to 10. So these are the conversion of the fractions into ratio. Okay. So now here, so in these fractions what he is asking, reduce the ratio. Reduce the ratio. Then how to reduce this ratio? See here, first you should see the ratio and decide, so what is a common factor in the given ratios, so that you first find out. Here 2 is to 4. These two are even numbers, they have common factor 2. So it is 2 1s are 2. Ratio 2 2s are 4. That is 1 is to 2. In the same way 6 is to 9. So in 2 table when you will get 6, these two are 6 and 9. So these two have a common factor 3. In 3 table, so we can divide this 6 and 9. 3 2s are 6. Ratio 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Ratio 3 3s are 9. Now in the same way 5 ratio 15. 5 and 15 have a common factor 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now 12 is to 20. 12 is to 20 means, so these two have common factor 4. Highest common factor 4. So with 4 we should get 4 3s are 12. Ratio 4 5s are 20. Now 18 and 45. So these two have highest common factor 9. So 9 2s are 18. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Now 21 49. 21 49. Then how to take 21 and 49? In 7 table. 7 3s are 21. 7 7s are 49. Then 33 and 121. So 33 and 121, so that is having 11 as a common factor. 11 3s are 33. 11 11s are 121. 11 11s are 121. 3 is to 11. In the same way 30 and 72. 30 and 72. So they have common factor. So what they have common factor that you think? Okay. So they have common factor 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 12s are 72. So 5 is to 12. 5 is to 12. So these are the ratios. So simplified ratios. So in simplified form, so we can take in this way. Okay. Okay students. So now find the ratios of the given units. Here ratios we should find. So 4 apples to 8 apples to 4 apples. 8 apples to 4 apples. Then how to find the ratio? See here, 8 apples to 4 apple, that is 8 is to 4. 8 is to 4. So if you make it simplified, so then how it is? So these two have common factor 4. 2 2s are 4 is to, not 2 2s are, 4 2s are, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. In simplified form, 2 is to 1. 8 apples to 4 apple, that is 8 is to 4. So in simplified form, 2 is to 1. Now 3 chocolates to 9 chocolates, 3 to 9 chocolates, then how it is? 3 is to 9, 3 is to 9. So this is 3 is to 9. So then how to simplify? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So in simplified form, 1 is to 3. Okay, 3 chocolates to 9 chocolates, that is 3 is to 9, that is 1 is to 3. Now 9 ml to 6 ml to 9 ml, 6 ml to 9 ml means 6 is to 9. So these two are, so means cancel in 3 table. 3 2s are 6 ratio, 3 3s are 9, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. Now 70 meters to 100 meters, that is 70 is to 100. 70 means 10 7s are 70, 10 10s are 100, 10 is to 7 is to 10, 7 is to 10. Now 16 gallons to 28 gallons, that is 16 is to 28, 16 is to 28. So now how to cancel this? These three have a common factor 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 14s are, so these two have 4 as a common factor. 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. Okay, now 26 yards to 13 yards, that is 26 ratio 13. In simplified form, both have divided by 13. 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13. Now 16 gallons to 48 gallons, 16 gallons, 16 ratio 48. Now how it is? 16 1s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3. So this is about the ratio, about the ratios, 1 is to 3, this all these are the ratios. Okay, so now here solve the following sums. Some sums are given, so that we should find. The first one, divide 20, so this 20 we should divide into 3 is to 7 ratio. So then how to divide the number in 3 is to 7? First we should find sum of the ratios, sum of the ratios, that is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Sum of the ratios 10. Now first number, how to find first number? First number is the first number divided by sum of the numbers into the number, given number. 10 1s are, 10 2s are, 3 2s are 6. 6 is our first number, and the second number or second ratio, that is 7. 7 by sum of the ratios divided by 20. 10 1s are, 10 2s are, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14. So this is about the ratios. Now 15 in the ratio 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4 first. So sum of the ratios again the same, sum of the ratios, that is 1 plus 4, that is 5. First one, that is first number in 15. So 15 first part or first number? First part. So then how to find first part? That is first ratio divided by total ratios, sum of the ratios, and 15 the total number. 5 1s are 5, 3s are 15. Now 1 3s are 3. Second part, how you will get second part? That is second ratio by sum of the ratios into 15. 15 1s are, 15 3s are, 4 3s are 12. This is the second part. The first part is 3, second part is 12. Okay, that is first here, first part. First what to do, so if the ratios are given, first you should find the sum of the ratios, and after that, so according to what is the number is given, so take that number. So first part means first number, then how to take first ratio by total ratios into given number. Simplify that, then you'll get first part. In the same way second part also. Okay, now see here, so the third one, divide 12 in the ratio 5:1, 5:1. So then how to divide? See here, the same concept. So sum of the ratios we should find first. Sum of ratios, that is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is sum of ratios, 5 plus 1, 6. Then first part, how to find first part? First part is equal to first ratio divided by total ratio into 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are 5 twos are 10. First part. Second part means second ratio, that is 1 by sum of the ratio 6 into 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are, that is 1 twos are 2. So this is our first part and second part. So now here I divide 25 in the ratio 3:2. So the same one. So first we should find sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios 3:2, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Now first part, how to find first part? First part means first ratio by total ratio into 25. 5 ones are 5 fives are, 3 fives are 15. Second part, then how to find second part? That is second ratio by total ratio into 25. 5 ones are 5 fives are, 2 fives are 10. So these are our two parts of this 25. First part is 15, second part is 10. If we add both again, you'll get 25 only. Okay. So here also the same. First sum of the ratios we should find. Sum of the ratios 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then first part is equal to 1 by 2 into 22. 2 ones are 2 11s are, 11 ones are 11. Second part 1 by 2 into 22. 2 ones are 2 11s are, 1 11s are 11. So this is first and second part. Now divide 72 in the ratio 1:2. So first here sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So then first part of the number 72. So that is 1 by 3. First ratio by means total ratios into 72. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 left, 3 fours are 12, 1 24s are 24. This is the first part. Then second part means that is 2. 2 by 3 into 72. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 24 twos are 48. This is the second part. Okay. Now the next one is, so divide 90 in the ratio 7:8. Now first sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios, that is 7 plus 8, which is 15. Then first part. So what is the first part? That is first ratio by sum of the ratios into 90. 15 ones are 15 sixes are 90. 6 sevens are 42. So this is the first part. Second part means second ratio by total ratio into 90. 15 ones are 15 sixes are 8 sixes are 48. So this is the second part. Now divide 105 in the ratio 4:3. So now how to divide? First we should take sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios, that is 4 plus 3, which is 7. Next, first part means first ratio by total ratio into 105. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 14 2s are 60. Second part means 3 by 7 into 105. 7 1s are 7 1s are 7 5s are 15 5s are 45, 15 3s are 45. So these are the ratios. Okay, so this is about the pattern. So when particular number is given to divide in the ratio, means first you should find sum of the ratios, and after that for first part we should take first ratio by divided by sum of the ratios into given number. So then you'll get first part. In the same way, second part also you'll get the same way. So this is the method to do. So to find the number, how to divide in the given ratio and what are the numbers. Okay, in this bit more 2 questions, similar questions are there. That similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay.